What warranties come with a solar panel system? Solar panel systems require very little maintenance over their lifetime. Luckily, you'll be protected by multiple warranties if something does go wrong. Here are the 3 main warranties to consider. Number 1. Production warranty. Like any technology, solar panels naturally degrade, meaning that they produce less energy over time. Fortunately, solar panel manufacturers offer a production warranty to protect you from undue amounts of degradation. These warranties guarantee that your solar panel production won't fall below a certain level over the warranty period. For example, most production warranties guarantee that your panels will generate at least 80% of their initial electricity output after 25 years. Number 2. Materials warranty. Solar equipment manufacturers also offer a materials warranty to protect against any manufacturing defects. If a solar panel stops producing electricity due to a faulty part, your materials warranty will cover a replacement. Other components of your system, such as inverters and batteries, will also have their own materials warranty. Materials warranties vary by equipment type and manufacturer and usually last between 10 and 25 years. Number 3. Workmanship warranty. Any reputable solar installer will stand behind his or her installation with a workmanship warranty. These warranties cover any errors related to the installation process, such as faulty wiring or construction errors. Installers should offer a minimum warranty of 5 years, but most companies will offer at least 10 years of coverage. Make sure you read the fine print, as not all solar installers offer the same level of coverage or duration in their warranty. If you're going solar with an EnergySage Approved installer, don't worry, we've already pre-screened the company to ensure they're experienced and offer a top-notch workmanship warranty. EnergySage. Smarter energy decisions.